Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain selection sort. What is selection sort? How to arranging all the elements in a proper order using selection sort method. So first, what is the selection? What is sorting first? What is sorting means arranging the elements. What is sorting? First we go for sorting. So what is sorting means arranging all the elements in a proper order is known as sorting. Either that arrangement is either in ascending order or descending order. Either we are arranging all the elements in ascending order, descending order, that is known as sorting. For example, the elements like this. So these are the list of elements. These elements not are in the order. So it is not in the sorting manner. For after that, for example, if we are arranging the elements first one small number to big number. 1, 2, 5, 7, 10. These elements are in the order. These elements are in the order. That is also in which order? Ascending order. Ascending order means small number to bigger number. So this is known as sorting. Now these elements are in the sorting order. Or we can arrange the elements like this also. Bigger number to small number. 10, 5, 7, 5, 2, 1. These are also in the sorting order, but in descending order. So like this we are do the elements. Take any number of elements. Arranging all the elements either in ascending order or descending order is known as sorting. So in C language, in computer programming language, how can we arranging these elements? For that we need some techniques. Those techniques are known as sorting techniques. Using the sorting techniques, we can arrange all the elements in a proper order. So what are the techniques? We have so many techniques are there, but according to PPS, we have only 3 sorting techniques we have. So there are 3 sorting techniques are there. First one is selection sort. Second one is bubble sort. Third one is insertion sort. So these 3 sorting techniques we have according to your syllabus. So in this class I will explain, in this video I will explain what is selection sort, how to arranging all the elements in ascending order using selection sort method. So that's why we are taking one simple example. This is the selection sort. With the numerical example I will explain in this video. Consider the list of elements 13, 22, 51, 15, 3, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. All elements are not in the order. So arranging all these elements in ascending order. So using selection sort method. Now we go for method. So first take all these elements in array order. Like array format. Array format means like this. Take the elements in the array format. Array is always starts with 0th position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Totally 6 elements are there. Total elements are 6. But according to array is always starts with 0. So 0 to 5. Now we start your procedure. What is the procedure means? Step 1. Only in the selection sort method, the name only it is the selection. What we have to select? We have to select 2 elements. In the selection sort, we have to select, for every time we have to select 2 elements. That is the first one is the select always first element. Select first element and select minimum element in the given list. Only these 2 things are there. First one is always select the first element in the array and always select the minimum element in the array. So we have to select these 2, then we start comparison. Now I'll check it. Step 1. So in the given array, first we select first element. Which one is the first element? Which one is the first element? That is in the A of 0th position. Take the array name is A. So 0th position is 13. So this is the first element, and find minimum element, smallest element. Find out, check it once, which one is the minimum element. The minimum element is this one, that is in the A of 4. The value is 3. So first element is 13, minimum element is 3. Now we go for second. In this step only, compare. We have to compare first element, that is A of 0, and minimum element, that is in A of 4. Because in the sorting, ascending order means elements are small number to bigger number. That means first number is always smaller number compared to remaining number. So first element is always minimum element in the ascending order. That's why we compare these two. If you are comparing these two elements, what is A of 0 value? 13, and A of 4 value is 3. 13 greater than 3. That means first element is more than minimum element. Whenever first element is more than minimum element, then swap it. What is a swap means? Exchange it. Which elements have to exchange means? First element, in the place of first element you have to change minimum element. In the minimum element you have to swap it first element. That means both A of 0 and A of 4, both are swap it. Swap the elements of A of 0 and A of 4. Swapping means just exchanging. After step 1, the array elements are like this. How many elements are there? 0, first element, second element, third element, fourth, fifth. Remaining elements all are in the same place, no problem. We just exchange only first element and minimum element. That means this element is swapped to here, and this element is swapped to here. That means 3 is coming in the first place. Next 22 is like this only. 51 is no change. 15 is no change. 13 is coming here. Then 21. So after step 1 is completed, then your elements are like this. Swap these elements in this like this. So if you check this one, the smallest element. Which one is the smallest element? The smallest element is 3. 3 is automatically coming in the first place. 3, 22, 51, 15, 13, 21. So this smallest element is in the first place. That means it is already in the sorted order. So then divided into two places. This is the sorted list and this is the unsorted list. Unsorted list. Okay. Then we leave it. Then we go for step 2. In the step 2 onwards, we just take only unsorted elements only. So what are the unsorted elements? Take it once again. So now in the step 2, these are the elements. The array is like this: 3, 22, 51, 15, 13, 21. These are in the order, these are in the array, but it is already sorted list, so don't touch anything here. This is in unsorted, and this is 0th position, first position, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now in the step 2 we consider only unsorted array elements only, because first element is all the order. Again repeat the same procedure. Take these elements only. What is this? 22, 51, 15, 13, 21. This is in the first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth. Same procedure. Again find first element and also again find minimum element. So which one is the first element? First element is in the A of 1. What is the value of A of 1? That is 22. Which one is the minimum element? Find out which one is the minimum element. Which one is the minimum element? That is 13. 13 is available in fourth place. So A of 4. A of 4, then 13. Again what you have to do it? You have to do it comparison. Compare. Which elements have to compare? First element and minimum element. A of 1 and A of 4. So A of 1 value is 22. A of 4 value is 13. So which one is bigger means A of 1 value is bigger than A of 2. But according to our sorting procedure, first element is always smaller than the next element. So first element is more than last element, next element. So just swap it. Which element you have to swap? A of 1, comma A of 4. That means which element you have to swap means these two elements are swapped. In place of 22, 13 is coming. In place of 13, 22 is coming. Again write the, after swapping the diagram is 3 anyway are not changed with anything. It is already in the sorted manner. Now 13, because elements are swapped. 13, 51, 15, 22, then 21. If we are seeing like this here, this diagram, so how many elements are now in sorted order? Up to here, 0 and 1. These two elements are in the sorted order. So just divided into two parts. These in the sorted manner and these are in the unsorted manner, because here the elements are not in the order. So this step 2. Whenever the step 2 is completed, two elements are in the order. Same procedure have to repeat for step 3 also. In the step 3 again same procedure. What are the elements have to take? We are taking 51, 15, 22, 21. Here in this example I will just to take only unsorted elements only, because already those are sorted elements are finished now. I am not touched with sorted, unsorted elements. So it is in the second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. Again tell me what is the same procedure? The same procedure is again find out which one is the first element and which one is the minimum element. Again selection procedure, in the name only it is there, you have to select. One is the selection of first element and selection of minimum element. So what is the first element in this? That is in the A of 2 position. The element is 51. Then again minimum element. What is the minimum element? In this all the minimum element is 15. That is in the A of 3rd position. Okay. Again same procedure. What is the same procedure? Compare these two elements. A of 2 and A of 3. A of 2 is more than A of 3. 51 is more than 15. But according to our sorting procedure, first element is always smaller. So here condition is not satisfied. That's why just to swap. Which element you have to swap it? A of 2 and A of 3. That means these two elements you have to swap it. After swapping the two elements, how the array? 15 is here, 51 is coming to here, 22, then 21. So already two elements already here it is there. What are those elements? 3 and 13. So this is our previous 0th position, 1st position, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. So after step 3, 3 elements are in the order. Up to here all elements are in the order and these are the unsorted array. These are the unsorted array. Now again start with the step 4. In the step 4, again we take the elements. Again I will write some once again. Step 4, 3, 13, 15. Already these elements are in the order. And again 51, 22, 21. So in these elements some are in the order and some are not in the order. So divided into two parts. These are the sorted manner and these are the unsorted manner. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again don't touch with any sorted values because it is already in the order. Don't do anything with them. You just to take the unsorted order elements only. That is 51, 22, 21. What is the position of these values? 3, 4, 5. Again same procedure. What is the same procedure? Again in the selection sort, in the name only it is there, you have to select. What we have to select? We have to select first element and then minimum element. So in this which one is the first element? That is in the A of 3 position. Value is 51. Which one is the minimum element? Minimum element is in the 5th position. That value is 21. Okay. Again same procedure. What you have to do it now? You have to do comparison. Compare. What values you have to compare? Compare minimum element and first element. That is A of 3 value A of 5 value. If we see this one, A of 3 value is more than A of 5. But compared to your swapping rule, sorting rules, first element is always smaller than the next element. But here 51 is more than 21. So we have to swap these two values. A of 3 comma A of 5. If we are swapping these two elements, places are changed. Okay. After swapping these, how it will be? 21 is coming into 51 place, 22 is no change, and then 51 is coming like this. Already previous elements 3, 13, 15. This is 0th position, 1st position, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. If we see here, after step 4 is finished, all 4 steps are in the order, sorted order. Automatically these two elements is also in the sorting manner without doing anything. Also already the elements are in the order. So this is everything is in the sorted manner. So this is the procedure for selection sort. If the elements are not in the order, do same one more step also, same thing. I can select first element, I can select some minimum element, first element. So totally 6 elements are there, means within 5 steps, 1 to 5 steps, n minus 1 steps. If you have n elements, within n minus 1 steps, all the elements are in the order. So this is the procedure for selection sort with numerical example. So what is selection sort means? Simple thing, in the name only it is that just select. What you have to select means you have to select first element and minimum element. Then compare these two elements. First element is always smaller than the next element, otherwise we have to swap it. If the first element is minimum element, then not necessary to swap it, just to leave it and go for second step. So this is the procedure for selection sort. If it is possible, I'll give one more exercise. Example, do it at home. Take the numbers. Take these numbers and practice at home. 1, 5, 3, 10, 5, 7. This is the selection sort example with numerical example. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, share it to your friends. Thank you.